Hi, this is a question which came up in CAT 2020 slot 1. It's on arithmetic, algebra, combination of both. Not a difficult question. In fact, it's a previous CAT question, slightly modified as of now. I would suggest pause this video, try to solve this question on your own, and then proceed with the rest of this session. So this one says, a gentleman decided to treat a few children in the following manner. He gives half of his total stock of toffees and one extra to the first child. Then half of the remaining stock along with one extra to the second, and continues giving away in this fashion. The total stock exhausts after he takes care of 5 children. How many toffees were there in the stock initially? Okay, so if he started with say n number of toffees, so the first child will get n by 2 plus 1, right? And once he gives to the first child, he'll be left with n by 2 minus 1. Now, this is again divided in the same manner and so on. So if you'd want to do it with an equation directly, right, it is going to be if you want to do it with a single equation, it is going to be a pretty large nested sort of a relationship. Right. Now, we can do this pretty elegantly just by observing this part. Okay. So the difference here is he's giving one extra and is losing one extra. So the difference between these two values would be 2. If you take the difference between these two, would be 2. And this will be constant. To everyone, he gives half plus 1. So he's left with half minus 1. So let's try to use this and solve this. Okay. So the first child, second child, third child, fourth child, fifth child. So we'll have to track how much do they start with, how much is given to that child, and how much is he left with. Right? Right. So let me just draw this. Okay. So this is taken care of. Now we'll start with the end because we know the end part very well. Now, in the end, he is left with 0 toffees. Right. So how much would he have given to the previous one? The difference between what he is left and what he gives to the child is always 2, which means he would have given 2 toffees. This difference is 2. Right. Which means he would have started with 2 toffees. He gives 2, left with 0. Now, whatever he starts with will be what he ended with after giving to the fourth child. Again, the difference is 2, so this should be 4. This should be 6. This is 6, so this difference is 2, so this is 8. This should be 14. Go back, plug 14 here, right? This value is equal to this, so this will be 16, right? So this should be 30. So after giving to the first child, he was left with 30, which means he gave 32 to the first child, which means he started with 62 toffees to begin with, right? Pretty straightforward question if you know how to go about doing it recursively from the back, right? Just plug in the values. This difference was the key. Once you do that, the question solves itself. That completes this particular question.